Maayo kay nila pagkapak. Magdili ipakaon. Hi, good afternoon and good evening wherever you are in the world. Good morning. Today's video is unboxing my order from online online shop, and I ordered famous Filipino food. Well, in this video I will try not to just speak English because mabash na po doon yata, diba? I'll try to speak Bisaya o Tagalog. Hey, okay, well, for my American friends who do not understand, or my friends from other countries who do not understand Bisaya or Tagalog, just comment down below and see what you want to learn or what you want to know, and then I'll surely answer your question. Pero sa akong mga friends din nga mga Bisaya, anian na tungod ni Boy Bisaya, naka-order jud ko online. Bahala nagmahal, no? Pero sige na lang. Okay. This one is very famous in the Philippines. It's the ngoyong. They vacuum seal it before they ship it. And you know how much? How much? This one whole pack is $16. I don't want to convert that anymore. Hindi ko na yan i-convert. Okay ha, magtagalog ako. Pero alam niyo naman na yung mga Bisaya friends ko, mga Tagalog friends ko, nakarelate dito ng ibang mga Bisaya friends ko kasi mahirap talaga sa amin ang magtagalog. Pero i-try ko naman para hindi naman ako mabash. But anyhow, yeah, this ngoyong is $16. $16 po ito, mga friends na ko, mga Bisaya, $16 ito. Mahal man kaayo, pero sagdi na lang, lutoon ako ni, and then I'll let my friend, my son try this. It comes with this sauce. And you know how much is this one only in the Philippines, sa Cebu? Pila lang nida sa Cebu? Gis, no? Diba? Oh, pero sagdi na lang, kay nag-crave man ko. And another one is... You know how much is this? It's a siomai. It's also $16. Pero sabi na lang, kaya nag-crave man ko, this is the sauce, the chili sauce. Sabi na lang. This is just once in a while. But I guess I will order again. And this is, it's so heavy. Oh, let's open this one. Maayo kay nila pagkapak. Magdili ipakaon. Oh my, naka-styro inside. Hindi ko din nila ipakaon. Look, it's the chorizo de Cebu. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One last. And 5. Yay! I got 5 packs in here. Each pack is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3, 21. For this one, all in all, 5 packs of chorizos. Taga na pila. Guess how much is it? And ano yan sa Tagalog? Hulaan nyo kung magkano. Okay, see, all of these 5 packs of chorizo is $75. Ayun na lang i-convert. Huwag nyo na lang i-convert, di ba? Hala, nagbula lagi ni. So, base na lang dili siya panos. Naaman siya kuan, ice, pero it's not working anymore. It's not cold. But anyhow, hopefully this one is still not bad. Okay. Ano yan sa Tagalog? Sana ito ay hindi pa sana ito ay hindi pa panis, di ba? O sa mga Bisaya na ko dyan, di kabalo na mo unsay pasabot ana, di ba? Para baso na lang dili pa ni panos, gabula araba. So anyhow, sige na lang, authentic style chorizo de Cebu. I'm excited to taste all of these food in our next video. Watch out for that. I'm gonna let my son, 2 sons, and my husband taste and see which one is the best food for them. But for me, they're all good. They're all best. So watch out for our next video. Okay? See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Kung saan yung mga food inyong ganahan. In Tagalog, ano ang pagkain na gusto nyo dito? Yung chorizo ba? Yung siomai ba? At saka yung nguyong ba? In English, comment down below which food you want to try. Next time, don't forget to subscribe my video so that you can watch in my next video which one you like. As a chorizo de Cebu, ngoyong, siomai, we call it pork siomai, and ngoyong.